Thank you so much for your interest in my Chief Architect for Beginners course. Who is this course for? You're a residential or light commercial designer wanting a professional design tool that uses smart building technology. You want to learn to draft and model architecture using BIM software. You want to create your own high-level, detailed construction drawings for your renovations or new construction projects. You want to create 3D models that you can share with homeowners, engineers, or builders. Or you want to provide 3D sketches and renderings as part of your services. I based this course on my own workflow and how I work with Chief Architect every day in my business to design homes, create 3D models for rendering, and create construction documents. This course is meant for those of you just starting out with Chief Architect Premier, Interiors, or Home Designer Pro. I will show you the general overview of the tools and help you get organized to start your projects. We will build a small house, including the kitchen and bathroom. Through the process of building the house, you'll learn about drafting in 2D and 3D and how to create 3D models and construction plans, including details like custom millwork and vaulted ceilings. After we build the 3D model, I'll show you how to create a presentation or construction document and various ways to create renderings. I work in Premiere X12, but will also have Interiors and HD Pro open and working. I will be pointing out the differences in the programs and suggesting workarounds where there's limited functions in Interiors and Home Designer Pro. Even though I had this project pre-planned, I build it live from start to finish to show you the process. I just talk you through it as if we were together or doing a screen share as I work through the design and documentation. I'm not perfect, I make mistakes, and I work through fixing them. I tried to find ways to incorporate all the basic skills through various design choices in the project. This course will show you the general function of the tools. More advanced lessons are available by contacting me. Thanks again.